After peaking at $3,286, Ethereum is trending back to the downside towards our ascending support structure. Around this area, we may see a little bit of a bounce, but it's only a matter of time before the real crash happens, with potential drops to $2,768 or lower. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can find the absolute bottom, regardless of what price it ends up being, and how you can take advantage of these signals to maximize your profit for the move back up. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. As of today, we have 314 wins and 0 losses over the last 34 months. Future forecast released last Friday and a new one coming up tomorrow talking about major overhauls to our website that is massively going to benefit our members. Check our membership out at the links in the description down below for 25% off your first month, and let's dive in. We're trading Ethereum USD on the daily time frame with the market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager. We currently sit in mild caution, which, after topping out, most often results in a continuation to the downside. We also see the Pro Trade Manager hit a red dot last week right at the peak. Since then, the price has dropped very slowly, but still dropping, and we're on our way to that ascending structure support. And if broken at that point, a move down to $2,768 is likely. As the price drops, even if we do break below $2,768, as the price drops, in order to catch the bottom, we want to see the market cycle highs and lows drop multiple levels. I want to see a reading of fear or max fear to call the absolute bottom. Check it out right here. We got fear readings with green dots. This called the absolute bottom before a massive move up. All the way back here in 2022, this was the end of the bear market for Ethereum. We saw fear, max fear, and we saw green dots calling the exact bottom before the real bull market took off and traders made insane amounts of money. This is the same pattern we're going to be looking for this time around too. We just want to see fear or max fear and a green dot to indicate an ideal candle entry. And this is where we're looking to dollar cost average or more into the market. I want to make sure you don't miss these signals. So what we're going to do is set some alerts. Switch this to the market cycle highs and lows, head to fear. Once per bar close, click create. Next alert, market cycle highs and lows. This time it'll be max fear. Once per bar close, click create. Last alert, Pro Trade Manager. Keep it at long entry, short take profit. Once per bar close, click create. Fear and max fear, of course, will let you know when we drop into fear and max fear on the market cycle highs and lows. Long entry, short take profit will let you know when we get a green dot on the Pro Trade Manager. When we get fear or max fear, this is the zone that we're thinking of entering. The Pro Trade Manager calls the exact entry point. So you want to have all of these ready to go on your chart. Our traders are seeing massive wins from these indicators. We've been getting emails for it recently. It's very exciting. Our members are going to get massive discounts on these indicators. I'm talking $150 off each, $300 off for the indicators I showed you in this video. And that's on top of money-making benefits like the future forecast videos and downloads, crypto newspaper, and soon, way more. Guys, this is really going to be cool. Stay tuned for changes to the website. But for now, links are in the description down below. Membership is the second link. Click that and it's going to bring you to our sign up page. 25% off your first month, less than $50 to get started. Head to the Pro AI Indicators page. Right here, Pro Trade Manager is what you're looking for. Market cycle highs and lows is here too. Reveal the membership coupon by clicking this link and copy it. Click on checkout on Gumroad. I want this. Click the market cycle highs and lows here, add that to cart, throw in your membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and you are good to go. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for the future forecast episodes and the upgrades coming soon. Don't miss out.